Hey y'all, JoJo here. So we're going to do another house today. This house is in the Bravada of Verna Residencial. It's in Conkal and it's actually outside of the central. So we just walked in. This is your living room and your dining room area. You have a lot of light here, a lot of natural light. This is the kitchen. Remember how I said the houses are built around the kitchen. You have a nice, large kitchen here. Plenty of cabinet space. You have cabinets. The top, you can put storage items at the top as well. Cabinets here. You have a double sink. You have a window to your kitchen. Love that. It is a 2.5, 3-year-old house. This is the server's entrance. Here, you have your hot water heater here. This is the area of where you're gonna have your washer and dryer. And this is also an exit area. Oop. But let me show you how big this yard is. It does not have a pool, but it's big enough to put a pool. So you have all of this area here, right? Hold on. We're gonna keep on going. Then you have all of this area here. And so plenty of space to put a pool. Let's go back in where we came. Hold on. What kind of tree is this? Hold on. This is not a lemon tree, but you have some type of citrus tree here. That's good. Go upstairs and go back in. Area for your refrigerator, if I didn't mention it, an area for your stove, which will be here when you buy the property. Then, look at this cute little half bath. The half bath is accessible from the dining room and living room, but next to the half bath is a first floor bedroom. Look how big this closet is. Take that in. And this is a big bedroom for it to be the secondary bedroom. You have fans already installed. You have air conditioning already installed. Hooks right here for your hammocks. Here's the bathroom. I don't want to be in the picture. Oh, and look. There is a window for the first floor bathroom. Then, again, air conditioning, fan. 2 more fans. And it's a good height. I want to say the height is about 10 feet. Going upstairs, nice wide steps. Great lighting from the windows. All right, so this is the second bedroom. Look at that closet space. Look at all that storage you would have. Again, hammocks, hooks. Great closet space. These are all wood closets. Bathroom, a window, a shower head. Now, this is the only window that you would have, but I think if you're here, you still have good lighting. You still have good lighting. Nice floors, by the way. So wait a minute, let's see. So that's the light. Assuming that's the fan. triple switch. Now this is the primary bedroom. So you have the ventilation from this window here. Then you also have the sliding glass door. We'll go through that in a minute. This is the main bathroom. Very nice bathroom. Again, I don't want to be in a video, sorry guys. Ventilation from the window. Nice closet space. Back. Nice walk-in closet. Nice drawers. All wood. All wood. Have storage space at the top. You have a skylight in the closet. Very nice. Of course, the fan. But hold on. Here's the thing that got me. This is the balcony. This is the balcony. And you're thinking, oh, this is just a little balcony. No. This keeps going. You can have a party out here. Goes right around. Have a nice view. And look, when you buy the property, look at your neighbor's yard. This is what you can do. And I believe this yard is bigger than the neighbor's yard. So the size of this place is just huge, especially for a house in Merida, 4.5. Like I said, we'll go look at the weight area and the community area, but it's 2,000 pesos per month for the maintenance fees, and you're paying for a nice small community. I want to say it's probably maybe 60 houses in this parada, so you're paying for a nice quaint community. It's a nice size living room and dining area. You can have your table here, and then the living area here near the entry door. Just wanted to make sure I didn't miss anything. This is so cute. Now I wouldn't put those curtains up there. Oh, let's see. All right, I'm gonna go back out this way. You also have this covering here. So that's gonna be good for you in the summertime, especially because it's gonna be shading the windows here, so it won't be as hot inside the house. But you can close off this whole yard. There's an opening there. You can close this whole thing off, and there's an opening near the servants' entrance. Close that off, and you have this nice, quaint area. This is not bad for 4.5 because you're actually paying for the lot space. Paying a lot for a lot space. See. And then look at the vegetation that you have. So you don't have, that's another great thing. I love my neighbors, but unfortunately I am surrounded by my neighbors. Here you're not surrounded by neighbors. You just have the one neighbor on the left side of the house. And then no neighbor here. There's no neighbor here. It's an open lot on the corner. So it's going to be quiet, or it should be quiet. Unless the neighbors party. But if you're interested, contact Sandy. I'll put the information in the video. Also with the house, what she wanted to inform me is that the house is already in a trust. So it's owned by someone who is not who has to have a trust, a fideicomiso. So it's just a matter of transferring over the fideicomiso. So keep that in mind. Things can be easy that way. Oh, I gotta shut the door. All right. So thank you guys for watching. Like I said, I will be bringing you more houses, even if they're houses for sale, houses to rent, or just houses to check out, because I like to be nosy. I like to hang out in people's houses. Let's go to the community area. So now we are going to check out the amenities, and it is 2,000 pesos for the maintenance fees for the privada. Ooh, look at this.
Side, you have a gym.
And it's nice and cool because it's around 102 degrees, but here in this area it's very nice and cool because of the shade. So you have a place to have your little barbecue here. There are bathrooms here. You have a party you can rent, and then you have a nice pool and a nice park. And this is all in one nice small privada. This is a nice quaint privada where you can get to know your neighbors. Very much so. And you hear the birds singing. Very nice. And this is the side of the gym, and it's all open air. And again, it's very cool out here. The fans aren't even on. It's very nice and very cool. So you can do your nice workout here and then walk to the house, which is, I want to say, a 2-minute walk. Let's walk. Oh, the house is right there. Yes. This is very nice. Nice, quaint little privada. 2-car garage or a 2-car driveway. It's very nice. Very nice. All right. Thank you guys for watching.